Everyone, we are going to see about modules in AngularJS. In AngularJS, modules are containers for different parts of your application, such as controllers, services, directives, filters, etc. They help in organizing and structuring your code base by providing a way to group related functionality together. Modules also facilitate code reuse and dependency management within your AngularJS application. Key concepts: modularization. AngularJS applications are typically divided into modules, each responsible for a specific aspect of the application. For example, you might have a module for user authentication, data fetching, UI components, etc. Dependency management. Modules allows you to define dependencies between different parts of your application. For example, if one module requires the functionality provided by another module, a controller depends on service. You can specify these dependencies when defining the modules. Encapsulation. Modules encapsulate functionality with a namespace, preventing naming conflicts and providing a clear boundary for different parts of your application. This helps in maintaining a clean and organized code base. Code reusability. Modules promote code reusability by providing a way to package and encapsulate reusable components such as controllers, service, directives, etc. These components can then be easily reused across different modules or even different AngularJS applications. Now I am going to show you how to create a modules. For that I have created an basic HTML and I have added a script for AngularJS. Inside a body I'm going to div, I'm going to call ng app equal to my app, and the ng controller. And I'm going to create a h2 and a p for. Now I'm going to create a script. Now I'm going to define an AngularJS module, angular.module and my, and an empty array. Now I'm going to define a controller and attach it to the module. Now I am going to define a data in the controller scope dot message hello from. Now if I save this, if I run this code, see, we are getting modules in AngularJS and we are getting the message hello from my app. Like this we want to use module. Now I will explain you the code. We defined an AngularJS module called my app and inside the module we defined a controller called my control and attach it to the my app module. The controller sets the value of the message variable in its scope to hello from my app. In this HTML template, we use the ng app directory to bootstrap the my app module and the ng controller directory to attach the my controller to a specific element. The expression message in the template displays the value of the message variable defined in the control scope. When you run this code in a browser, you will see the message hello from my app display on the web page, demonstrating the usage of modules in AngularJS to organize and structure your application. Thank you.